Ever feel like Netflix always knows exactly what you're in the mood to watch? Or that Spotify drops the perfect song right when you need it most? It's not a lucky guess. It's not a coincidence. It's artificial intelligence working behind the scenes, watching your behavior, learning your patterns, and predicting your next move. Today, we're diving deep into how these platforms seem to read your mind. From the moment you hit play, you're in a dance with the algorithm. User profiles represent preferences and tastes based on past behavior. AI predicts the likelihood of a user enjoying an item based on user profiles and content metadata. Recommendations are generated by ranking items according to their predicted relevance. Recommended items are presented to the user in a personalized format. The hidden intelligence behind recommendations. Every action you take on Netflix or Spotify, whether it's watching a full episode, skipping a song, or pausing halfway, becomes a data point. AI uses that data to learn your preferences, mood, habits, and even your routine. This is called a recommendation system, and it's powered by advanced AI models. Netflix refines recommendations by tracking user data, including preferred genres and content completion rates, viewing time, device types, and pause, rewind behaviors are also monitored to enhance user preference profiles. Each data point contributes to a comprehensive profile of individual user preferences. Imagine it like a brain, constantly updating and reshaping itself, just to serve you better. If users with similar tastes enjoyed a new sci-fi release, the algorithm recommends it to you. The system predicts that users with similar tastes are likely to enjoy the same content. It's smart, it's fast, and it's watching your every digital step. How Netflix knows what you'll love. Netflix uses a powerful method called collaborative filtering. Here's how it works. If 0 people with your same viewing habits loved a new show, Netflix assumes you'll love it too. But the AI doesn't stop there. It also looks at what genres you prefer, how often you finish series, whether you watch during lunch or late night, if you binge or take breaks, what device you're watching on, and even how often you pause, rewind, or fast forward. This information forms your unique viewer fingerprint. The AI refines recommendations over time through continuous adaptation to user behavior. AI analysis enables personalized content suggestions tailored to individual user preferences. Personalized recommendations manifest as curated playlists and suggested titles. The AI's recommendations reflect its understanding of individual user preferences. Spotify, the music mind reader. Spotify takes personalization to another level. It doesn't just know what kind of music you like, it knows when and why you like it. The system tracks user behavior to understand musical tastes. Ever notice different recommendations in the morning versus evening? Spotify adapts to your daily rhythm using machine learning. It learns from every skip, every like, every replay, but it also understands the music itself, the tempo, the energy, the mood of each track. These song features are quantified and categorized for systematic analysis. All of that feeds into its AI system, creating playlists tailored to how you're feeling right now. That's why Discover Weekly can feel so personal. It's not random, it's engineered. This process helps the system understand the inherent characteristics of the music. User listening patterns are compared with global data to identify trends and preferences across a broader audience. Comparative analysis helps refine personalized recommendations by incorporating popular and emerging trends. The system adjusts recommendations based on both individual and collective tastes. Both platforms use deep learning, which mimics how our brains process information. They also use something called natural language processing, or NLP. That means they understand the words, tone, and themes behind what you're watching or listening to. For Netflix, it's analyzing titles, descriptions, subtitles, even the dialogue. AI analysis of subtitles enables platforms to categorize and recommend content based on user preferences. NLP techniques Extract keywords from song lyrics on Spotify and scene descriptions on Netflix. For Spotify, it's analyzing lyrics, tone, mood, emotional language. The AI doesn't just know what the content is. It knows how it feels. Platforms match content to users based on their demonstrated interests using keyword analysis. This matching process enhances user experience by providing relevant content suggestions. Deep learning mimics the human brain's ability to understand complex patterns and relationships within content. AI identifies keywords and grasps the underlying meaning and emotional tone of content. Understanding complex patterns and emotional tones enhances the accuracy of content recommendations. Are they reading too much into us? Let's take a step back. This level of personalization is impressive, but also a little unsettling. Your data is supposed to be anonymous, but when an algorithm can predict your next favorite show or song better than your best friend can, is that convenience or control? At what point does recommended become manipulated? It's a question worth asking. Aggregated user interaction data is analyzed to identify patterns and trends. Detailed user profiles are built based on analyzed data, enabling personalized content recommendations. User profiles facilitate targeted advertising by matching ads to individual preferences. The distinction between personalized recommendations and manipulation blurs when algorithms exploit cognitive biases to maintain user engagement. Exploiting cognitive bias raises ethical concerns about user autonomy. Algorithmic manipulation can lead to negative psychological effects, including addiction and misinformation exposure. The future. Hyper-personalized AI. Entertainment AI is just getting started. The future of entertainment could look like this. An AI DJ avatar analyzes data streams related to the user's predicted emotional trajectory. The AI dynamically selects and cues music tracks based on predicted emotional states. The AI DJ seamlessly transitions between music tracks based on the predicted emotional landscape. Visualizations respond in real time to the music, reflecting the AI's adaptation to the anticipated emotional state. The AI's adjustments are subtle, aiming to subtly influence the user's emotional journey. AI algorithms analyze multiple factors to predict emotional responses to music. The AI's decision-making process involves selecting and sequencing music tracks based on predicted emotional impact. The goal is to create a perfect playlist that aligns with and enhances future emotional states. We're entering an era where content won't just be personalized, it will be hyper-personal. Netflix and Spotify aren't just apps. They're learning systems tuned to your life. They're not just following trends, they're shaping your preferences, moment by moment. So the next time a song hits just right, or a show keeps you watching all night, ask yourself, was that your choice? Or did the AI make it for you? If this opened your eyes, give this video a thumbs up, ED. Subscribe to the channel for more deep, easy to understand AI explainers. And hit the bell, Saudi, so you don't miss a beat. Drop a comment below. What's the most accurate recommendation you've ever received? Let's talk about how AI is shaping your world one stream at a time. Streaming platforms use predictive modeling to deliver personalized content recommendations. Personalized content is delivered through suggested titles, curated playlists, and automated playback. These recommendations aim to maximize user engagement and platform usage. Personalized recommendations can shape user choices without explicit awareness.